Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to check your Google Drive storage. Knowing how much space you have used helps you stay organized and avoid running into storage limits. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account. On the left-hand side of the screen, scroll down until you see the storage bar at the bottom. Here, you'll find a quick overview of how much storage you have used out of your total available space. Next, if you want more details, click directly on the storage option in the left-hand menu. This will open a page showing all your files sorted by size, starting with the largest. This makes it easy to see which files are taking up the most space. From here, you can review your documents, images, or videos and decide whether to keep, download, or delete them. Remember, items in your trash still count towards your storage until you empty it. So clearing that folder can also free up space. For an even broader view, click the storage details link beneath the usage bar. This will take you to the Google One page where you can see how your storage is divided across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. By checking your storage regularly, you can manage files more effectively and avoid interruptions when uploading or sharing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys.